From simply understanding how the internet works to building complex machine learning models, learning computer science will help us build the future that we want. I was around 19 when I first started studying computer science at the University of Guanajuato in Mexico. But when I got out of high school, I actually really wasn't sure what I wanted to study. I just knew I liked learning about different stuff, such as economics, design, and I was also really passionate about tech. So I found computer science to be not only about computers anymore. It was also about solving problems of the environment, about creating video games and art, about wearable tech, and even about social change. So this is what led me to this career. Some of the challenges that I faced when I started learning computer science were that I actually didn't own a computer. So I would basically do all of my coding exercises in a sheet of paper, and after class, I would go to the computer lab to execute them. But I think this helped me to actually better understand how to solve computer problems, because it is not only about the logic-based approach, it is also about creativity. And I think this is something that we rarely talk about. Programming is a heavily creative task. The way I could solve a specific problem can be very different from what the person next to me does. So computer science is important because it helps us learn how the world around us works. Whether we want to be biologists, mathematicians, or even lawyers, the skills that we need not only for the future, but for our present, are mostly tech-based. From simply understanding how the internet works to building complex machine learning models, learning computer science will help us build the future that we want. We've all seen the increasing concerns about algorithms being biased in certain areas, and this is because most of the people programming these algorithms are white men. For me personally, being part of the LGBT community and being open about it in my context was something that I really struggled with because I couldn't relate what was typical in the field. So this is why we need to raise visibility of a more diverse and inclusive computer science community that allow us to have equal access to the same opportunities for everyone. So I wish that campaigns like this can help us get this message spread around the world, that we need more people in computer science that help us shape this world.